Alright, so now I'm entering the portion where we talk about the modes or the fancier scales basically. And if there's a lot of lessons on that, so I'm not going to get too into the theory of the scales, but I'm going to take some of those same exercises that we've already done in this DVD and just show you how they would apply to some of the mode shapes that maybe I use the most. And so the first one I'm going to show you is the A Mixolydian, which works for playing over an A7 chord or an A7 kind of progression. And we were using that as well. But so now we have this A Mixolydian scale. If you can reach that high up, you can go right there. The way down. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you going up in groups of 4, so you do 4 notes of the scale from there, then 4 from there, then 4 from there, 4 up from there, 4 up from there, and then obviously we'll do 4 going back the other way. So 4 from here, 4 from the next one. Four from there, then from there, then from there. So when I get to this one, I did a finger change. Instead of my middle finger, like, I went. Because then the next one's going to be right there with the middle finger, because we're now in a little hand change. So on the way back down, I did 4 from there, 4 from here, 4 from here, then from here, then from here, then from here. You can do that same switch where you put your pinky there to go into the new hand position. So let's do 4 down from this high E. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 down from here. And just like on the other scales, it's nice to maybe master the first 2 like that. And you can hear a little melody in there just from that exercise. So the descending the groups of 4, we could go 4 down from the 7th fret on the high E, 1, 2, 3, 4 down the scale. Then from there, then from here, then from here, then from here, and we're going to change to our pinky. So there's these different modal shapes. I'm showing you a Mixolydian right now, but what I'm saying is you can do groups of 4, and you want to, if you are working on the modes, you want to be able to do the groups of 4 going up and down on each of the shapes. And you know, I think you can explore that, but I'm showing you Mixolydian because I use that a lot. You know, going up groups of 4. 4 from there, 4 from there, 4 from there, 4 from there. Descending groups of 4, same thing. And then the next step would be doing groups of 3. And I'm going to show you a different shape just so we get some diversity going. And hang tight.